Hi, I'm David Stein of Money for the Rest of Us, and in this video I describe how to invest $100. Back when I was an institutional money manager, you had to pay commissions. I used to think 4 or 5 cents a share was expensive. That's what institutions paid. And as individuals, we were paying $10, and 10, 15 years ago, we were paying $40 to buy a particular stock or an exchange traded fund. No more. Now, as an individual investor, you can invest $100 essentially for free. You don't have to pay commissions when you purchase an exchange traded fund. And some mutual funds don't even have any type of expense ratio. So you're not even paying the manager anything. They're managing the money for free. Now, I have another video that describes how is it that brokerages can make money, or apps like Robinhood can make money if they don't charge any fees. That's a completely different discussion. Today, we want to look at how do we invest if we have $100 and how we can do it very, very inexpensively. The primary way we can do it is through a commission-free exchange traded funds. Vanguard offers 1,800 commission-free exchange traded funds, or ETFs. An ETF is a vehicle. There's a professional manager that's buying. They're trying to mimic a certain segment of the market. It's globally diversified, so they might have hundreds and hundreds of stocks in that exchange traded fund. But you can buy that basket of securities just by going to your particular broker. And if you use Vanguard, you can buy a commission-free ETF. If you have a Robinhood app, there's a lot of ETFs you can also buy commission-free. TD Ameritrade, there's over 300 commission-free ETFs that you can purchase. And so that's how you can invest $100. You get commission-free ETFs. And Fidelity, some funds are commission-free. Some of their mutual funds, which don't trade on an exchange, they trade once a day at the end of the market day. But you can buy those without commission. And many of those, they're called the zero index funds, don't have any type of management fee. They will manage those assets for free. Now, a lot of times when you watch videos on YouTube, how do you invest $100? They're giving you their best stock picks. That's not what I do here. I am focused on how do you build a globally diversified portfolio, a long-term investment. And what should you invest in terms of ETFs in late 2018 or early 2019? Which ETFs are most competitive on a fee basis and is your best bet when it comes to getting enough yield without having to worry about rising interest rates? And for that, you need an ultra-short bond or ultra-short fixed income ETFs. Now here on the screen, you can see here is this particular sheet that I put together for you. If you have trouble reading it on the screen, down in the description of the video, you can download this PDF, and it gives you an example if you broker with Vanguard, if you're with Fidelity, if you're with TD Ameritrade, or if you have Robinhood app, what is the best global stock exchange traded fund to buy? What is the best bond exchange traded fund to buy? And with that, you can invest effectively less than $100 at a time and build out that globally diversified portfolio, not pay any commission on the ETF. And if you're with Fidelity, you don't even have to pay any type of expense ratio. So that's how you invest $100. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below. Thanks.